Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss type of singularity and some problem based on type of singularities. Okay, student. Now, problems. Problem number one. Problem number one. What kind of singularity? What kind of singularity have the following function functions number first cot pi z upon z minus a whole square at z equal to a comma z is equal to infinity. Second part, tan 1 upon z at z is equal to 0. Now third part, cosec 1 upon z at z is equal to 0. Now solution. First part, since fz equal to cot pi z upon z minus a whole square, this can be written as cos pi z upon sin pi z into z minus a whole square. Now for pole of fz sin pi z into z minus a whole square equal to 0, that is z minus a whole square is equal to 0 or sin pi z equal to 0. Now z equal to a is a pole of order 2 or sin pi z equal to 0 equal sin n pi. Now z is equal to n, where n is 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to dot dot are simple pole. But z equal to infinity is a limit point of these simple poles. So z is equal to infinity is known isolated essential singularity. Now second part, fz equal to tan 1 upon z, this is equal to sin 1 upon z upon cos 1 upon z. Hence poles of fz are given by cos 1 upon z is equal to 0 This is equal to cos pi by 2. Now for general value in cos, 1 upon z is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, that is 1 pi by 2. Now z equal 1 upon 2n pi plus minus pi by 2, where n belongs to integer side. Since z equal to 0 is a limit point of these poles, therefore z equal to 0 is a non-isolated essential singularity. Okay, student. Now third part, let us consider fz is equal to cosec 1 upon z. This can be written as 1 upon sine 1 upon z. Hence pole of fz are given by sine 1 upon z equal to 0 equal to sine n pi, that is 1 upon z equal to n pi. Now z is equal to 1 upon n pi. Here n belongs to integer set. Since z is the limit point of these poles, z is equal to 0 is a limit points of these poles. So z is equal to 0 is a non-isolated essential singularity. Okay. Now next problem number 2. What kind of singularity? What kind of singularity have the following functions? Part first, cot z at z is equal to infinity. Now part second, cosec 1 upon z at z is equal to 0. Answer: first part, fz is equal to cot z equal to cos z upon sin z. For poles of fz, are given by sin z equal to 0 equal to sin n pi. Now z is equal to n pi, where n belongs to set of integer. Since z is equal to infinity is a limit point of this pole, is a limit point of these poles. So z equal to infinity is a non-isolated essential singularity. Okay, now for second part, let fz equal to sec 1 upon z. This is equal to 1 upon cos 1 upon z. Okay, student. Poles of fz are given by cos 1 upon z equal to 0 equal to cos pi by 2. That is 1 upon z is equal to 2 n pi plus minus pi by 2. That is z is equal to 1 upon 2 n pi plus minus pi by 2, where n belongs to set of integer I. But z is equal to 0 is a limit point of this pole, is a limit point of these poles. So z is equal to 0 is a non-isolated essential singularity. Okay, now next problem number 3rd. Specify the nature of the singularity. The nature of the singularity at z equal to minus 2 of fz equal z minus 3 into sine 1 upon z plus 2. Okay, student. Now specify the nature of the singularity at z is equal to minus 2 of fz equal z minus 3 into sine 1 upon z plus 2. We have zeros of fz are given by fz equal to 0. That is z minus 3 sine 1 upon z plus 2 equal to 0. That is z is equal to 3 or sine 1 upon z plus 2 equal to 0 equal sine n pi. That is 1 upon z plus 2 equal n pi. That is z plus 2 equal to 1 upon n pi. Now z is equal to minus 2 plus 1 upon n pi, where n belongs to I. That is n is equal to 0 1, 2, 3 dot dot. That is limit point of zeros is z equal minus 2. Imply that z is equal to minus 2 is isolated essentiality, is an isolated essential singularity. Okay. Now next problem. Problem number 4. First part. Find zeros and poles. Find zeros and poles of z plus 1 upon z square plus 1 whole square. Now second part. What kind of singularity has the function e to the power z upon z square plus 4. Solution. First part. Let fz is equal to z plus 1 whole square upon z square plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now zeros of fz are given by. Now zeros of fz are given by z plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That is z is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Hence z is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of order 2. Okay. Now poles of fz are given by z square plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That is z equal to minus plus minus I. That is we can say z plus I whole square z minus I whole square will be 0. Now z is equal to minus I comma plus I are poles of each order 2. Okay. Now second part. Since fz equal e to the power z upon z square plus 4, the poles of fz are given by z square plus 4 is equal to 0. That is z is equal to plus minus 2i. Hence z is equal to minus 2i plus 2i are simple pole. Okay student. Now problem next, that is problem number 5. Discuss the nature of singularity. Discuss the nature of singularities of the following function. Of the following function. Number first, tan z. Number second, 1 upon z into 1 minus z square. Number third, z upon 1 plus z to the power 4. Number fourth, sin z upon z minus pi whole square. Now repeat. Discuss the nature of singularities of the following functions. First part, tan z. Second part, 1 upon z into 1 minus z square. Third part, z upon 1 plus z to the power 4. Fourth part, sin z upon z minus pi whole square. Now solution. First part. Let fz equal tan z equal sin z upon cos z for singularities of fz. Cos z is equal to 0 equal cos pi by 2. Now for general value, z is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 2, where n belongs to I. Okay? Hence, z equal 4n plus minus 1 pi by 2, n belongs to I, give the simple pole of fz. Give the simple pole of fz. Okay, student? And z equal to infinity is a limit point of these poles, is a limit points of these poles. So, z equal to infinity is non-isolated essential singularity. Now, second part, fz is equal to 1 upon z into 1 minus z square. Hence, singularities of fz are given by z into 1 minus z square is equal to 0. That is, z is equal to 0, comma, plus minus 1, which are simple poles. Okay? Now, third part, since fz equal to z upon 1 plus z to the power 4, hence singularities of fz are given by, for singularity of function, the denominator of the function will be 0, that is 1 plus z to the power 4 equal to 0. Now z to the power 4 equal to minus 1. This can be written as cos pi plus I sin pi. Okay. Now for general value, cos 2n pi plus I sin 2n pi plus pi. This is equal e to the power I 2n plus 1 pi. This is equal to z to the power 4. Now z is equal to e to the power I 2n plus 1 pi by 4. We have n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now z is equal to e to the power I pi by 4. Now when put n is equal to 0 in this and n is equal to 1, we get e to the power 3i pi by 4. Now put n is equal to 2, e to the power 5i pi by 4. Now put n is equal to 6, e to the power 7i pi by 4. Which are simple poles? Which are simple poles? Okay. Now fourth part. Since fz is equal to sin z upon z minus pi whole square, hence singularities of fz are given by z minus pi whole square is equal to 0. That is denominator of function always 0. That is z is equal to pi is a pole of order 2. Okay, student.